Dwarkesh bhai, thank you very much for such a nice introduction. All members, ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seat belts. Now we are going to have an express roller coaster ride on the land of Dorwin Engineering. Dorwin Engineering was established in 2010 by Jagdish Patel and Manubhai Panchal. Jagdish Patel is looking for the marketing, accounts, and purchase of the door accessories, whereas Manubhai Panchal is the expert in production, product design, and development, and purchasing the raw materials like the sheets and MS materials. Dorwin Engineering is having a capacity to manufacture 100 to 150 doors per month. We have the fully in-house manufacturing facility in Bakrol. We have the facilities for the testing and inspection of the manufactured door. Next, please. Our product portfolio have the fire-resistant doors, press seal doors, emergency exit doors, clean room doors, acoustic doors, press seal windows, main gates for the factories as well as bungalows, doors and gate automation, and boom barriers. Next, please. First, we will look at the fire-resistant doors. Fire-resistant doors are the doors which are having the fire resistant. It can withstand up to 1100 degrees centigrade up to 2 hours. So the fire resistance is measured in terms of integrity, stability, and insulation of the door. Means if the inside temperature of a room is 1100 degrees centigrade, then outside temperature of the door should not exceed to the 200 degree centigrade. Fire resistant doors are are provided with a multi-slope handle, deadlock, fire-rated glass view panel, automatic door closure, etc. If we look at the basic structure of the door is manufactured from MSGI or SS sheet. Sheet should be from 1.2 mm, and for the frame, the profile is bent from 1.6 mm sheet. The door inside void is filled with rock wool insulation. Insulation is just that the temperature does not transmit from one side to another side. Basically, all our doors are having the similar internal structure, but the thickness of sheet, door thickness, and insulation material varies. The scope of the door. This kind of the door can be used in the factory building, warehouse, store, godowns, electrical control room, shafts, kitchen of the hotels and factories, entrance and exits of the factories and commercial buildings. Next, please. Next type of the door is emergency exit door. This kind of the door are having the optional features like fire resistance. It can be a clean room application, airtight, waterproof, or soundproof door. And this door are having the special provision for escape in emergencies. The door is provided with panic exit devices. If you see in the first image, the horizontal rod is provided. Anywhere in this rod you touch, the door will open. No need to have the keys. So in case of fire or any kind of the emergency, you can escape easily. And outside, the trim lock is provided where you can operate with keys. So from outside, you can lock the door, and door closure is provided. So once you exit, the door will automatically close. The next image is a double lift door, which is again having the panic bar. And the scope of use of this kind of door. This can be used for the factory buildings, warehouse, store, godowns, kitchen of the hotel and factories, exits of the factories and commercials. Next, please. HMPS door. HMPS door is a general purpose doors that they are again made of GI, SS or MS sheets. The salient features are the heavy duty, long lived and aluminum doors, and corrosion free and termite free. So this kind of the door are nowadays used as a replacement for the aluminum and wooden doors. Pure polyester powder coated surfaces are provided. Customized view glass and hardware is provided with the doors. And it can be made airtight or waterproof. So this kind of the door are used where you need to have the long lasting door use. Next is the clean room door. Clean room door are also a special kind of HMPS door. They are made of GA or SS304 sheets. It is dust free, germ free, and corrosion resistant. Customized view glass of the double glazing is available so that both sides glasses are provided. So door have the completely flush surface, and you don't have the surfaces where the dust or the germs can be accumulated. The high quality SS or the brass hardware fittings are provided. The airtight from all four sides, the rubber sealing on all three sides of the frame, and at bottom, automatic drop bottom seal is provided. So from all four sides, it is airtight, and no dust or the germs can penetrate inside the room. The surface finish available is SS matte or PP powder coated surface is available. So this kind of the doors can be used into the pharma, hospitals, as well as the food industries. Next, please. The doors are provided with the high quality SS304 the brass hardwares like hinges, deadlock, sash lock, door handles, door closures, fire or acoustic seals, automatic drop bottom seals, panic exit device of various kind, and the trim locks. So you can see all this in the pictures. Next, please. Sliding type fire doors. These are the automatic sliding type fire doors. So in case of fire, it will sense the fire inside the room or the outside of the room, and it will automatically close the door. So in case of fire, you don't need to worry. Your goods are safe inside or outside of the factory. Next, please. The third one is the image of the fire resistant door, but it is a manual kind. And the next one is a general purpose sliding door, and that is airtight. It is used into Sula wine, the storage of the wine and cold storages. This kind of the door can have the fire resistance from 0 to 120 minutes, and the scope of use is factory building, warehouses, store, godowns, etc. Next, please. Next product is the automatic main gates. We manufacture as well do the automation of the main gates of sliding type as well as the swing type. This kind of the gates can be of the factory, bungalow, or the commercial projects. If you look at the salient features, it is made of the MS pipes and sheets operated with the switch, remote, or RFID or phone application. Photo beam sensors are provided so that accident can be avoided. Warning lights are there, and the high quality MS ball bearing rollers are used for the better performance. Next, please. Boom barriers, back, boom barriers. Almost we have seen the boom barriers on commercial exits as well as the highways. Boom barriers are automatic kind that can be operated with RFID system, remote, or switches. Next. Now we will see some of our special designs. This is the first design we did for the Philips Vadodara unit. The first image shows that the louvered door. The store located inside the factory needed to have the ventilation. For that, we made the completely louvered door. And the next is the sliding up door to ejaculate the waste from the trolley. They need to have the sliding up doors, and that should be operated with the sensor. Next. This is a kind of giant door we manufactured. That is 3-hour fire resistant doors, and the size is 8-meter width and 14-meter height. That is a very giant door that was made for the power grid project. That very big size transformers are supposed to be tested in this lab. Next. Next is 66 feet long automatic sliding gate. This was the gate we manufactured for Gatrang Ford in Sanand. Next. The another is a video which is showing. Please play the video. It is kind of a telescopic gate. It is having the two lifts. One lift rests behind the another. Here we have the bottleneck is to design the operation for the another lift. One lift is operated with motor, and another need to have the mechanism to be operated. And again, that should be such a way that it will give the double speed to that another lift. This was made for one factory into a Sanand. Next, please. This is an automatic sliding rope. In Guru Krupa bungalows behind the Karnavati club, they were having a opening between the house. In center of the house, there was an opening for the ventilation and sunlight. But they were having the problem that in rainy season, rain also come from that opening. So they wanted to have the transparent automatic sliding roof. So that was designed and manufactured and successfully installed by us. Next, please.
1 minute left, Jagdish bhai.
Next, please. Another specific design was the airtight door. This is SS airtight door manufactured for a battery separator machine. Inside this machine, there are the toxic gases and that should not come out in any situation. So this was successfully designed and installed by us. Next. The another is waterproof door designed and manufactured by us for the L&T project. L&T was supposed to make one container and to supply to the Germany, and for that the door was designed and manufactured by us. These are the some images of that. Next, please. These are the fully glazed fire resistant door and fully glazed fire resistant partition that was designed and manufactured for HPCL Bhachau site. Next.
30 seconds
We'll
left.
briefly look at some of our clients. In government organization, Bharatiya Sena, NTPC, Dholera SIR, National Innovation Foundation, Power Grid India Corporation. In banking sector, Standard Chartered, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank. In automobile industries, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto, Asia Motor Works, Gatrang Ford, BKT Tires are there. Ceramic industries, we have supplied to the Kelderly, Grindwell Norton. And in chemical industries, there are a lot of clients like the PI Industries, Pidilite Industries, BSF Chemicals, United Phosphorus, Unilever, Kane Energy, Transpex Silox. Next, please. In food industry, the Parle is our one of the client. KMF Dairy is there. Havemore Restaurants Private Limited, Anand Namkeen, Sula Wines, then Zupi Noodles. In hospital and pharmas, Global Hospital Mumbai, Columbia Asia Hospital Ahmedabad, Ami Multi Speciality Hospital, Lions Hospital, Siddhivinayak Hospital, Intas Pharma, Eminel Pharma, Zydus Cadila. In paint industries, Asian Paint, ExxonMobil, JSW Paints, these are our clients. And other industries, Godrej, Navneet, Symphony, Larsen and Toubro, Vishakha.
Jagdish bhai, time is up. Jagdish bhai,
Just last
थोड़ा
slide.
speed में.
Last slide. Sulzer Pumps, Reliance Retail, Vardhaman, and Amazon are our valuable clients. So this is all about our company. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Give a big round of applause for Jagdish bhai. Thank you, Jagdish bhai.
There are some videos also there, but I couldn't play due to the
You can
lack of
post
time.
it in a group. You can post it in a group.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would request a member to write references if anyone have for Jagdish bhai in a chat box. એટલે આપણા જોડે એક